Hi there, I'm registered dietitian nutritionist Whitney English, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3 delicious, healthy green smoothies using my BlendJet. Green smoothies are an awesome way to pack in vital nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. And for people who don't love eating salads, they're a great way to get in a couple servings of veggies. Plus, they taste great. Despite what you might think by looking at these green beverages, you can't even taste the nutrition. They're sweet, delicious, and will leave you craving more. I love making these smoothies in my BlendJet because it's so easy and convenient. BlendJet charges via a USB-C port, so I can just pop it into my computer while I'm working for fuss-free smoothies on my lunch break. A single 1-hour charge gets up to 15 blends. I also love that it's lightweight and compact, perfect for popping in my suitcase on work trips. So let's get to it. First up, my Basic B Green Smoothie. This is your Intro 101 course in green smoothie making. In your BlendJet, combine 1 cup milk of choice, a half frozen banana, a 1/3 cup blueberries, 1 handful of spinach, and 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Blend for 4 cycles and enjoy. Number 2, the Kale Me Baby Smoothie. This one is a little funkier than the first, but still what I'd consider a gateway smoothie. In your BlendJet, combine 1 1/4 cup milk of choice, a 1/3 cup fresh or frozen kale, a half frozen banana, a 1/3 cup pineapple, and a half of a pitted date. Blend for 4 cycles and enjoy. FYI, kale is kind of finicky. If your BlendJet turns red, that means that the kale is stuck in the blades. Simply turn your machine over, press the button again to blend, and turn it right side up so that the kale hits the blades at full speed. And for our last and most out there concoction, my Broccical Smoothie. It's a tropical smoothie with broccoli. This one is for my green smoothie pros. In your BlendJet, combine 1 1/4 cup coconut milk, a 1/3 cup frozen or riced broccoli, a 1/3 cup frozen mango, a 1/3 cup frozen pineapple, and half of a pitted date. Option to add a scoop of protein powder or 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for added protein. Blend for 4 cycles. If the mixture is too chunky, either add a splash more of milk or try using the pulse mode. Pulse mode transforms BlendJet 2 into a powerful food processor. It can even make guacamole, salsa, or hummus. And those are my favorite delicious, healthy green smoothies. Do you ever add greens to your smoothie? What's the most wild green veggie you've ever tossed in your BlendJet? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Whitney, thanks for watching.